Hi friends, Christine with Essentially Styled. Today I wanted to showcase some of our newer releases. I'm not going to be doing demonstrations, but you can see plenty of those if you just link down below. You can catch any of my tutorials on YouTube or feel free to message me and I will send you what you're looking for. So I want to share some of the newer releases, and at the end I'll show you the newest releases that came on February 1st. But I'm going to start with the ones in January. We've had the crud, it seems like forever, so I've been a long time in doing these, so sorry for the delay. But they're still available and still beautiful. So here is the first one, and this one is called Auburn. And you can see the different shades of red with that. It's a maroon, but the beading in the color is really pretty. These beads on the outer edge are kind of a little bit iridescent. Super pretty. This one's available in 7 sizes. Then we have, I want to make sure I'm getting the names right. Okay, let me do another one first so I don't skip any. Isn't this one pretty? This is the newest cross we have called Gloria. And it's got the clear beads and then a rose gold finish for the cross with the rhinestone in the center. Again, 7 sizes, super pretty. If you are left-handed, make sure you order online and mark left-handed. Otherwise, when you put it in, your cross will be upside down. So this one, most of them, it doesn't matter. Like this one could be worn either way, but the cross can be ordered left-handed or right-handed. The default is right-handed, so just pay attention to that. And then we have, I'm skipping ahead again, Jasper. This is the newest addition to our gnome collection. We now have a fall and a Christmas gnome, and this is our kind of winter gnome. It's got the snowflake there, although honestly with these colors, I think I could wear this guy year round. I love the colors on this with the blues, and again, the beading, I love the beads they're using for these. But that color blue is one of my favorite, kind of the cornflower blue. And he's got the little snowflake there, 7 sizes for him as well. And then what do we have next? Oh, the Southwest Heart. I don't think I showed you that one. This has the turquoise. There's where the Southwest comes in. Just a really cute design. It's got some, let me show you, turn it around, some of the black beading and with the turquoise and the white. Really pretty, 7 sizes for that. That's the Southwest Heart. And then we're getting into the set. Oh, I love these. This is the Cassandra series. So this is a hairband. It can also be worn, and I did not bring one of the elastic hairbands. So it comes, you need to select a hair elastic that goes with this, which make them the most comfortable hairbands on the market. I just love them. They're the only ones that don't roll off my head. Pick a band that matches the color of your hair. The metal will automatically match the band or the hairband there. So this would be black nickel, but you can pick it in blonde, brunette, black, or silver. So pick the color that matches with your hair and it'll blend in. I have videos on how to completely hide that band by just pulling a little bit out from underneath the band. It sits so comfortably on your head, and again, they don't roll off. So this is a new design. It's very similar to one that I used to love that was discontinued. But again, it's just kind of got the purple and the iridescent. I really like that. So the purple with the black nickel. It comes also with a set of Upins that match. And again, this is Cassandra. And those are, you can see hearts there, the purple, really pretty with the black nickel. So these are the Upins. And these come as a set. Sometimes you have to watch, they can come as singles, so make sure you're getting either a 1 set or 2 singles for the Upins. But they're curved to go along with your head. Be sure and watch one of my Upin tutorials to see how amazing those are. Then we have the Flexi in that Cassandra design. This is a small and a medium. And again, they come in 7 sizes, but the beading is so pretty. I just love it. It's kind of got that silvery purple there with the smaller, you can see that the medium, has 2. And depending on the size, you can see online, they usually picture all 7 sizes so you can see what the beading will be what will be like on the loops. The centerpieces are usually the same. Sometimes for the bigger ones, there's a bigger centerpiece, and the smaller ones might have a smaller centerpiece, but those are great. Then we came out with, this is called Zahara. This is an old one. Well, not that old. This summer, I think it was released. I love this one. It's a bestseller. This color combination with the copper and the leather-like black was huge. And it just kind of goes with everything. It's got this kind of dimensional, if you can see that, look to it. Well, we had that, but they also now came out with an all silver one. So there's a tiny rhinestone in the center of the flower, but again, it's that dimensional flower. It looks so pretty in the hair. It just kind of, just right enough of the pop of color without being too much. I really like that three-dimensional flower there. And again, 7 sizes. That's a small, this is a medium. Here's an extra small, just to give you an idea of the sizes. If you need help with sizing, reach out to me, let me know. I'm happy to help you find your size. We can do that, just talking back and forth. I can help you find that size. So now we're into the ones that were released in February. This one would be great for St. Patrick's Day. You've got plenty of time to grab one of these. And it's got the four leaves, almost kind of like a clover. This one is called Reagan. So it's got the pretty green beads. Again, 7 sizes. Here's 3, medium through extra small. Really pretty, just the simple silver and green, but looks so pretty in the hair. So if you need something green for St. Patrick's Day, you can check those out. Then we have, I just love this. This one is called Layla, and I'll show you the medium. I love the colors. I love lavender. It's one of my favorite flowers to have around. It's so good for so many different things. It's so pretty. It reminds me a little bit of the cloisonne jewelry. It's so pretty with that enamel. And again, we've got 3 sizes. It's got the purple beading. This one's gonna be upside down. No, there we go. Kind of the bluish, the 2 shades of purple, kind of blue, purple, and then more of a lavender purple. So it's so pretty. And again, looks so pretty in your hair. And it's, I love this one. I love the colors of the purple. It is also available in the Upins. So again, these are great for buns and twists. And again, it just shows up so pretty with that same, it's a centerpiece that's on the Flexis for the Upins. Again, check to see, I believe you get a set of 2. You don't have to order you don't have to order separately. They come as a set. So there you have that Upin, and it's curved. And lastly, our main event, M-A-N-E, main event, is Elizabeth. I want to make sure I had her name right. It's so pretty. Looks like I got that one kinked a little bit. There we go. But it's got the dangle hearts. You can see those. They're so cute. This is a little bit of a longer dangle, just so you can see it in the hair. This is a medium, but it's got real delicate beading. And the beading here, I don't know if you can really appreciate how pretty, but it's got kind of like the, I don't know, not finial, forget what the, filigree maybe, metal on each sides of that clear bead. And then the pearl, a real pale, subtle pink, and then the pink rhinestones in the center of the flower. And then the hearts have a rhinestone as well. Super pretty, again, 7 sizes for that as well. So those are the new releases. I apologize for being so late in getting them to you. If you have questions, again, need help with your sizing, please reach out to me and let me know. If you see a particular hairstyle you want to see demonstrated and slowed down to show how it's done, just let me know and I'd be happy to help out with that. I hope you have a great day and enjoy a beautiful February. Bye-bye.